Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Na, and let me show you how I made this lemon garlic scallops pasta all in one pot. It's so delicious. First of all, we're gonna start by cooking our linguine pasta in hot salted water. Make sure it's gonna cook for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna crush our garlic. So just crushing it lightly at the back of the knife, and then chopping dried chili and some fresh parsley. And our scallops, you dab it to remove extra water and salt it and pepper it up, set aside, and then we're gonna cook it. So cooking it is only 1 minute on each side, and then you're gonna flip it 1 minute on the other side. Add a bit of butter, rosemary, and the garlic, and cook it gently over low heat. And when it's browned lightly, it's ready to go. And we're gonna add our cooked linguine and a bit of butter, a stick of butter, and your fresh parsley, and then the chilies as well. And then you're gonna stir that up for just about a few more minutes, and then add some of the pasta water, and that's it. Like, seriously, that is it. But this is so amazing, perfect for a dinner by yourself or with your date, or you have some guests over. Trust me, they'll just simply love it. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. This was so delicious and so easy, and you can switch it up with anything. You can use prawns, you can use chicken if you want, or mushrooms if you want to create a vegan version. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a great week ahead. Bye.